Hey there, it's Jodi, and today I'm sharing something that's helped not only me, but so many of my clients take back control of their body in menopause. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you my 5-day menopause diet plan to kickstart weight loss, reduce belly fat, and feel more like yourself again. And no, this isn't another fad, cleanse, or calorie counting obsession. This is real, doable, and designed for your menopausal body. So stay with me because this could be the beginning of real change. So let's talk about why our bodies start changing so much during perimenopause and postmenopause. First, hormone fluctuation. As estrogen and progesterone decline, your metabolism slows down, your insulin sensitivity decreases, and your body starts storing fat differently, especially around your midsection. Second is muscle loss. You start losing muscle mass in your 40s and 50s, called sarcopenia, which means you burn fewer calories at rest. And third, stress. Yes, cortisol, the stress hormone, often rises during this time and makes it even easier to gain belly fat and harder to sleep, recover, and lose weight. So if you've been doing the same things that worked in your 30s and not seeing results, it's not your fault. Your body has changed and your nutrition needs to change too. Now let's talk about what actually works. Here are the 5 foundational shifts that I use in my 5-day menopause reset plan and why they work so well. Number 1 is to reduce added sugar to under 25 grams a day. Sugar spikes insulin and increases fat storage, especially in the belly. But here's the mistake. Replacing sugar with artificial sweeteners like sucralose or aspartame, these can actually increase cravings and disrupt gut health. Instead, use small amounts of honey, maple syrup, dates, or stevia. The second shift is to eat enough protein, 70 to 100% of your body weight in grams of protein daily. It isn't about perfection, it's about finding what works for you. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 105 to 150 grams of protein per day. This might sound like a lot, but it's one of the most powerful shifts you can make for preserving muscle, improving metabolism, and reducing cravings and belly fat in menopause. You don't need to hit it perfectly every day. Try it for a week or two and see how your body responds. Most of my clients are shocked at how much better they feel with more protein. Number 3, eat more fiber. Aim for 25 grams or more daily. Fiber keeps blood sugar steady, improves digestion, and reduces inflammation. It's also key for hormonal detox. Think cruciferous veggies, flax seeds, berries, lentils, and oats. A good quality protein bar can also help with your fiber intake. I'll share my favorite vegan protein bar in the description below. Number 4, stay hydrated and skip the sugary drinks. Drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water a day, or more if you're in a warm climate or very active. Dehydration can slow metabolism down and cause fatigue and bloating. And finally, number 5, try time-restricted eating. Try a 12-hour eating window like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., giving your body a break to reset blood sugar, manage insulin, and boost fat-burning potential without extreme fasting. If you want to lengthen the time you don't eat, that might help even more. It's all trial and error. You need to find what works best for you. For me, I stop eating at 8 p.m. and wait at least 12 hours before my morning meal, longer if I can. But if you're working out in the morning, you need to fuel your body first. So find a schedule that works for you. Now, let's pause for just a second and go over these 3 mistakes that I see over and over again. Mistake number 1, drinking wine to relax. Now notice I didn't include eliminating alcohol in the 5 shifts. I know how extreme that can be. I've been there. But if you're drinking daily, especially to unwind at the end of the day, it's worth looking into cutting back. Alcohol raises your cortisol, your stress hormone, messes with your sleep, and makes it harder to lose belly fat, even if you're eating well and exercising. When I quit drinking, the first thing that improved for me was my sleep. Start by saving your drinking for the weekends. And when you do drink, make sure you're having at least 2 glasses of water for every alcoholic beverage. You will feel the difference, I promise. Second mistake is cutting calories too low. This backfires big time in menopause. Your body holds on to fat when it feels deprived, and you lose muscle and not fat. Mistake number 3, obsessing over the scale. You might be losing inches, inflammation, and gaining muscle even if the number doesn't budge right away. Use how your clothes fit to determine your progress. Okay, so here's the plan you've been waiting for. Let's go day by day so you can really ease into it. Day 1, ditch the sugar and track it. Look at labels, start swapping sugary snacks for fruit or nuts, and get under 25 grams of added sugar today. Fruit sugar does not count in the 25 grams. Number 2, build your plate with protein and fiber. For breakfast, a protein smoothie. Lunch, a lentil salad, and dinner, salmon and roasted broccoli. Aim for 70 to 100% grams of protein per pound of body weight and 25 grams of fiber. Day 3, time restricted eating. Choose your 12-hour window or more. Outside of that window, hydrate only, no food or caloric drink. Day 4 is gut support day. Add fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, apple cider vinegar, tea, or salad dressing, or unsweetened Greek yogurt. Sprinkle flax seeds on your meals and focus on digestion. And number 5, stress and sleep support. Add in magnesium-rich foods, dark leafy greens, pumpkin seeds. Turn off your screens an hour before bed and do breath work or yoga before sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. On day 6, start incorporating one or more of these shifts until you've incorporated them into your daily routine. I hope this helped you get an idea of how to structure your days to feel more empowered and less overwhelmed. And remember, keep it simple. If you've been frustrated with menopause weight gain and belly fat, just know you're not alone and it's not your fault. But you do have the power to make changes that work with your body, not against it. If you want a printable version of this 5-day plan, check the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell for more videos like this one, and leave me a comment. Which one of these steps are you started today? I'll see you in the next video.